Greetings everyone, my name is Skorik, I'm 8th grade student and the number 24 Information Technology lesson in Nerengri, Russia. Today I would like to tell you about my project, digital library based on the microcomputer Raspberry Pi 3B+. The high cost of paper books as well as the decrease in the number of available online resources distributing licensed books, many other factors make the digital library highly in demand. You can see the main goal of my work on the slide. To develop a digital library, the following hardware platform was selected: a single-board microcomputer Raspberry Pi 3B+. Let's move to the creation. We'll use the wireless access point using hostpd and DHCP. Launch and configure the web server using Apache 2. To write the software for the future library, we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP. HTML, CSS is using to create the visual part of the library. JavaScript will be used to create interactive components. PHP is using for user interaction with the server. The system is ready for use. Let's move to the tests. To begin with, identify the shortcomings of software implemented in programming languages with the connection of various libraries. Conclusion: an assembly on Apache 2 plus JavaScript PHP is optimal for creating a digital library. The purpose of next study is the depends of the data transfer rate in the supplier-consumer mode on the number of users connected to the library. Conclusion: the transmission speed of this data is directly proportional to the number of users connected to the library. The data transfer rate for classroom user peak load is 2.40 megabit per second. In close, using the Apache 2 cross-platform software, the CSS internal document description language, the HTML hypertext markup language, the JavaScript and PHP programming languages based on the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus microcomputer was created, a digital library with the ability to exchange data, the features of which are mobility and the ability to work from 5 volts to amperes. Thank you for your attention.